1. Over-explaining yourself. The more you explain, the less confident you sound. Confidence doesn't convince. It states, then it stops. When you keep talking, people don't hear clarity, they hear doubt. Fix. Say what you mean, then stop talking. Silence signals certainty. 2. Apologizing. When you did nothing wrong. Over-apologizing lowers your status without you realizing it. It quietly tells people, I'm always at fault, even when you're not. Fix. Replace apologies with appreciation, not, sorry I'm late. Thanks for waiting. Same message, higher respect. 3. Weak eye contact. Looking away too fast signals discomfort. Strong eye contact signals presence. People trust faces that don't flinch. Fix. Hold eye contact 1 second longer than feels normal. That pause changes how you're perceived. 4. Letting people interrupt you. Every interruption you allow trains people to talk over you. And once it starts, it keeps happening. Fix. Pause. Let them finish. Then calmly continue exactly where you stopped. No emotion, just control. 5. Saying yes. When you mean no, people don't respect unlimited access. They respect boundaries. If you say yes to everything, your yes loses value. Fix. Say no without explaining yourself. No, I can't. That's not rude. That's self-respect. 6. Reacting emotionally to everything. Overreacting makes people feel like they control you. The calm person always holds the power. Fix. Slow your response. Respond. Don't react. 7. Bad posture. Your body speaks before you do. Slouched posture tells people you don't value yourself. Fix. Straighten your back. Relax your shoulders. Breathe slowly. Instant upgrade. Want to grow and take control of your life? Subscribe now and start improving yourself today.